Turning images into videos has never been easy, and with Grok AI, you can do it in seconds. With this image, I just turned it into a video with a sound. You can also define the sound to AI in order to create a generic sound or your imaginative sound quite easily. Now for this, simply get Grok from the Play Store or the App Store on your mobile device, and after that open up and create an account. After that, you get this option of create videos on your home screen. Simply click on it and this is where it will take you. Now over here, either you can select already existing images and convert them into videos, and if you want to convert any image from your gallery, then you can simply click on this option of plus icon right beside the type to imagine, and here you can select any picture from your gallery and convert it into a video. You can also type a prompt in order to create an image and then convert it into a video quite easily as well. So you have all the options available to you in order to generate a video according to your imagination. And this is how easy it is to convert a video from an image. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.